Okay, I don't know how to start this, but you have to write the text here, like elevation A, B, C. Right now, sorry. Okay, you have to write the text here. Elevation A, scale.
SC enter.
Okay, elevation A, and then you have to write down the scale down. Scale is how much? 1:50. This one you can underline, Control U. Okay, so for example, this is my first elevation. This is the second one. So this is with 2 windows. So probably this one. So I copy this elevation B, and this is elevation C. This one. And the last one is elevation D. So first we have to categorize which is which elevation, and now when you go to the layout, the first thing, okay, this is C. No, first we have to go and bring elevation A. Okay, so this is elevation A, and this is elevation B. But I cannot show both of them in the single drawing because you see it is cutting. This is also cutting, this is also cutting. Okay, fine. So I select it, and or I can try something like this.
Why don't you put one below the other?
Yeah, because you have done the single hatch in both the drawings. This is okay, this is okay. Okay, I will remove this hatch. You have to do the separate hatch. Okay, this is the concept. Actually, you have to put one below the other, or at least, you know, you can try to put closer.
Still don't fit.
And we will see in the layout if it is possible, because I want in the one sheet. Now, let us try to play with the scale. Maybe 1:40. Okay, no, 1:2. Okay. Let us go one by one. Okay, this is B. Sorry, this should be last one. B, C. Okay. This is A, and this is B. Okay, no problem. So we have the living room, and then we have the two elevations. We can check the preview. Okay, so the preview will be like this. So this is the elevation, and then we have elevation A and elevation B. Then what about the two other elevations, C and D? For that, we have to make one more file. Actually, I don't know why this is happening, because in my elevation that is fine. this is prepared by her, and that is fine because here A, this is A elevation, B, C, D. No, I change it. This is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. I change the numbering. That's not a problem, but the problem is for this, for your drawing it is coming in the same plan, but for her drawing is not coming. That I have to observe maybe all the values are right. Okay, we'll try to some because I don't need to make two sheets. Let me play with something. We will try to make the plan small. Let us make it 1:100. Okay, so this will be a little smaller, and move the plan up. And I know. Okay, select it and go up. Okay, fine. Then you can go to the model and we'll just try to decrease these distances. Still okay. Reduce the scale is 1:50. We'll try to reduce it. to 1:60. Select it and go to the preview. I think it's okay now. But you know, this is a risky. We have to print this drawing and check. If the drawing is in the printing, it's not at all clear, then we have to do some alteration for this. Okay, and you can see the preview. I think it will be okay. So it will be something like this, but
so in the same file with two different scales.
Yeah, exactly. That is why, you know, in the same file we have different scale. That is what, that is the reason. This thing you have to observe. If you go to a list of drawing, you see living room elevations. What is the scale? As shown, because in same file we have two different scales. So this is happening. It's a normal case. Like in one drawing you can have one or more than two scales, even depending on the object. Okay. So here the scale is 1:100 and this scale is 1:60. This is 1:50. You have to change it to 1:60. And if you see the observe the PDF, it's mentioned here, like you have to mention like this, scale, and what is the scale? Elevation A, elevation B, elevation C, and elevation D, and with the scale. And here, sorry, this is wrong. Here you have to write as shown, as shown. Okay, so this is the layout. Once, okay, this is the layout we prepared. Okay, and I will just close this one. I will try to go for another file, just quickly, not very slow, so that you know exactly like how it is happening, and I will give you a quick review. Like for example, kitchen elevations. Okay, I open the kitchen elevations. Okay, this one you already exited, so that's not a big problem. Okay, kitchen elevations. Now as you already have done other plan, the first thing is its walls are clear off already. There is only the inner edges, so leave it. The first step is go to the layout and as we have done before, make a layer, a new layer, id dash xref. It should be caps, but okay, and type xr, enter, attach the drawing, title frame, okay, close, render, e, enter, page setup manager, new, id dash, I don't know what is the number, 11, okay, drawing to PDF, ISO full bleed A3,
A3?
window, yeah, A3, corner to corner, fit to paper, UICTP, see the preview, portrait, see the preview, okay, right click, exit, okay, set current, close, make a layer, MV, and click on the non-plot, okay, the same thing, MV, make from here to here, then E, enter, select the viewport, go to the scale 1:50, click inside, use pan, I need the kitchen now, okay, this is my kitchen, right click, exit, click outside, click MV, okay, see, this should not be free, this should be straight, that means ortho, you will press ortho and go straight.
So after clicking MV, we have to change the corners or just directly click on the corner?
Yes, F8 to make the line straight.
F8.
Yeah, it's called ortho, okay, F8. So you know, like living room is a little problem, remaining will be easy because remaining plans are small. So you know, you bring the kitchen on the screen and okay, then you take MV again, click from here to here, okay, now select MV again and make this also 1:50. Okay, now see, the first thing is that it's always better to put this plan one by one down, unless it is not same hatch. So I have to delete it, okay. I'm sorry for that, okay. So
it's looking nice this way also, made of hatch.
but you have to add the text here, okay, elevation, okay, sorry, the first thing is you have to identify, anyway, after copying also we can do this, okay, like for example, this is elevation A, this is elevation B, C and D, and then we will mark in the plan accordingly. I will show you how to mark it. Now go to the layout, click, okay, you see this is something is not coming, so you have to think a bit about it and then try to rearrange it in different way, maybe. It's not necessary that always it is down one by one, it can be side by side also. You see where the scale is 1:50, okay, just try to bring in the middle, and if you want you can move it a little bit down, and now see the preview, that's it, okay. So you have the kitchen and you have your layout in layouts, like for example if you see my kitchen, you see my kitchen design can be different, and I'm not worried about the design. My only concern is the presentation. The presentation should be the same, like this is 1:50, okay, I put 1:40 because maybe I want to show it a little bigger, but it's not important, 1:50 or 1:40, that's almost the similar. I show 1:40 because to be a little bigger, so it's not a problem. You can try 1:40 if it is coming, okay. Basic is 1:50, okay. So now if you check the plan, okay, so this is 1:50, 50, 50, 50, and okay, this is fine. Don't worry about the design, his design is different, your design is different, it's not the matter. The matter is your sheet and his sheet should be the similar. Now like for example if you see preview drawing, It's fine. The only thing is, like this, you have to write elevation A, elevation B, elevation C, elevation D, and then you have to write in the plan also. Okay, this A, B, C, D, I will forward you this by email. It's not a big deal. You will just copy this and put in your plan. Okay, you're not going to do anything bigger things. Just copy this block in your drawing. And for example, this is A, B, C, D, and if you look in our drawing, this is A. That means this is the kitchen, this is A, and this is the door, so this is B, this is the two chairs, this is C, and this is D. So when you take this mark, you write here A, this B, this C, and this D. Okay, and after that, review. It will be, you can remove the image frame, and then it will be ready for printing, of course, after you fill up the scale and the drawing number. Okay, so